Cooking Miles. Today we are making a delicious honey cake. Let's get started. In a bowl, add all the dry ingredients, starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of salt, and give it a mix. At last, add half cup of sugar and give it a quick mix. In another bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, starting with 2 cups of milk, quarter cup of condensed milk, quarter cup of melted butter, oil, quarter cup, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well. Add white vinegar, 1 tablespoon, and give it a quick mix. Now gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients mixture and whisk until smooth. Now, line a cake tin with butter paper and pour in the batter. Tap it. Preheat the oven to 180 °C and bake the cake for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, now let's prepare the sweet syrup. In a pan, heat half cup of water, add 1/4 cup of sugar, let it combine to a boil until the sugar dissolves. Then add 3 tablespoons of honey and mix well. Set it aside until it's warm. In the same pan, melt 3 tablespoons of mixed fruit jam. Now, take the cake out and let it cool completely on a cooling rack. Then, remove the butter paper Using a wooden stick, poke holes all over the cake. This helps it absorb the sugar syrup better. Now let's pour the sugar syrup. And spread the jam evenly over the cake. Now finally sprinkle some desiccated coconut all over the cake for that perfect finishing touch. Cut the cake into small pieces and serve. Enjoy your homemade honey cake. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cooking Miles. See you in the next video. Bye bye.